Um, my name is Noli Villacrucis from Anthropology. I'm 18 years old. Do you like answering of my interview? What is your favorite subject?
English.
Why?
Because it helps us especially to servability of the word in English, and also help in communication or communicating with other countries.
Do you like the English subject?
Yes,
Why?
because it helps us especially in today. Important to learn English translation because it is the most important in terms of our country.
Can you define communication?
Communication is communicating or talking, trade with other countries because through it we handle or causing the communicating or communication.
What do you think is the importance of communication to people and animals?
Because they fall to us because the animals have made a feeling, intelligence also hard by our communication with them, even say they know reach it and we alone.
Can you make the process of communication successful in a conversation?
Be polite and so talking and we not support him. Once he went through word cause previous agreement was to us properly and delivered properly, we should say or.
Is pronunciation an important ingredient in the fluency of the English language? Why?
Because this word is one of the key words that we should learn, especially Filipinos and even other countries. And our default then we know communication to them.
Can you consider a person who cannot pronounce correctly but is good with grammatical structure fluent with the English language? Why?
Because the English are saying is served correctly and you cannot pronounce the Tagalog word because it can be quickly communication or communicating with each other.
Thank you for Miss Jonalyn for answering of my interview.
Thank you.